Welcome to a journey of beauty and creativity, where we explore how simple touches of greenery, mirrors, and shelves can transform even the smallest space into something truly magical. Step into a world where light, reflection, and nature work together in harmony. Mirrors bounce gentle sunlight across the room, making every corner glow with warmth and freshness. Shelves become more than just storage. They turn into showcases of life where lush plants, cascading vines, and delicate blossoms breathe elegance into the air. Notice how every reflection adds depth, while greenery brings a sense of calm, making the room feel larger, brighter, and full of energy. Even the smallest plant placed by a mirror doubles its presence, filling the space with freshness and charm. It's a simple touch, yet it changes everything. And as the leaves glisten in the light, every detail feels alive. Each plant adds softness and reflection, creates space, and together they weave a sanctuary, a comfort, and beauty. Small space no longer feel confined. They feel expansive, welcoming, and filled with timeless magic and nature indoors. Thank you for joining us on this journey, creativity and natural elegance. May these ideas inspiring you to bring freshness, harmony, and touch of magic into your own living space. Have a good day.